Hello everyone. Welcome to our YouTube channel Money Matters. Here we are going to talk all about money. We hope our videos will help you to grow your money. So keep subscribe this channel and click the bell button for instant update. So hi guys, today we are going to discuss about the technical analysis for State Bank of India and Hindustan Copper. So we found a good pattern in State Bank of India, that is called flag pattern. So normally a flag pattern will form with a big bull run, then there is a consolidation, then it will break out from this consolidation. Okay. So here you can see there is a big bull run from April 26 to 3rd June. Okay. So after this high level, you can see there is a consolidation. Okay. So here it will form a small triangle pattern here, like this is the lows and this is the highs. So it will look like a flag, right? So here you can see it break out from this level and it moves high, and also you can see the retestment. So I am changing the time frame to 1 hour time frame. So here you can see this is the breakout, then it again comes to this line, but it's not falling much from here, right? So this line will be a strong support. So from this it will go to the high. So we can take a long trade here, we can do an entry here. Then we are expecting a target of 460, the first target, and then it will move to 480. Okay, this is the second target. So we are expecting a result on August 3rd. So based on the result, the bull run will happen. So make use of it. And also we are found another pattern in Hindustan Copper, that is called Hind Copper. So this is called a falling wedge pattern. Okay, so you can see this is the high, then from here it's getting fall. Okay, so but the fall will be happen inside these two lines. Okay, so some days it may be a exception, but it will go trend in the same line. Okay, but on 23rd July, so it break out from this line. Okay, in the above side. So if it is breakdown from this below side, we can expect further fall, but actually it's break up from here. So we are expecting a good move from here. So our first target will be 185, then the second target will be 196. Okay, so make use of it. So you can take a entry here, the long entry. In SBI also you can take a long entry. Sorry. Yeah. So in the next upcoming days, you can check whether it breaks this line or not. If it is not break this line, then you can strongly take a long trade here. Okay. Then your stop loss will be around this 417. Okay, 470. You can keep a stop loss here. And in Hind Copper, so you can keep a stop loss here like 135. Okay, so guys, disclaimer, we are not a SEBI registered technical analyzer, and also we are not a SEBI registered advisor. So make use of it as an educational purpose. Do your technical or analysis with your own risk. Thanks. So this is our video. So hope you are enjoying the video. Make use of it. If you are take a long trade, you can comment in the below comment section. Subscribe our channel encourage our channel, so we will give you more videos like this. Thanks for watching.